Hello, dear friends on YouTube. Welcome to this Python course. Before you start this Python course, I would like to answer some questions you might be having regarding this course. The first question is, who is this course for? Now, this course is for anybody who is willing to learn Python programming language, whether you are a complete beginner or know a little bit of Python syntax. This course will help you lay down the basic fundamentals of Python language, and it will also teach you how to apply the concepts you have learned by building projects. In the end, we will build together a final project that covers all the concepts in this course so that you retain the knowledge you have learned throughout the course much longer. Secondly, why this course? I believe that project-based learning is the fastest and best way to learn any new programming language, and just by watching YouTube tutorial is not enough. I have created this project-based learning Python course for you so that you can learn Python much faster, unlike people who are stuck in tutorial hell when you are trying to learn how to code. I will lay down the basics of Python that you need to get started. Then we will be building different projects based on the concepts you have covered. After this course, you should be able to build your own personal projects using Python. You should also be in a position where you can turn any ideas that you might have into a real-world projects. And for you to follow along this course, go to python.org/downloads and download the latest version of Python. I'll be using Python 3 for this course. You can also download Visual Studio Code. I'll be using Visual Studio Code as a code editor, or you can use any of your favorite code editors. And if you have Python 3 and Visual Studio Code or any other code editor in your machine, open your code editor and create a file with .py extension. For example, mine is welcome.py. It can have any name, but it must have that .py extension. And let's write our first code. And if you want to print out or display any Python code, we use the print function, which is just a print statement or a print keyword followed by parentheses. And within this parentheses, we write the message that you want to print out to the screen, surrounded by either double quotes or single quotes. So quotes and then the message. For example, let's say we want to display hello world onto the screen. And you can run this file by just clicking this icon here. And this terminal window will pop up and our message is going to be printed right there. Or we can press Control Shift backtick on Windows, navigate to the folder where your file is located, and from there you can run your file using Python, and then the name of your file. For example, mine is welcome.py, and your message will be printed like that, hello world. We will dive deep into how this print function works in Python in our next video, and if that sounds good, I will really appreciate if you smash the like button for the algorithms, subscribe to this new channel. This is my first course ever on YouTube, guys, so I'll be expecting a warm welcome, especially from everyone who opened this video.